Yo, guys.
Join myself and Miss Lorna cook a traditional Jamaican meal, which is called chicken pea soup. We will take you actually from when we went to the market till the food was done. So welcome to Coronation Market, where we actually went to get all the ingredients fresh from the market producers. It was an amazing opportunity for me to be able to see firsthand, and we ask of you to click on the subscribe and the like button to join this channel.
Guys, I've just had the opportunity to, unfortunately I couldn't be here when Miss Lorna was starting to cook, but this is what? Chicken foot? Chicken feet? Chicken foot. Okay. With, obviously you got the corn?
Yeah, Congo peas.
Congo peas? Is it Congo or Bongo?
Congo.
Gongo. Okay, Congo peas. You've got pimento?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Some garlic.
garlic.
Some ginger.
Okay, ginger, pumpkin. You can definitely see the pumpkin on this side. You've got the corn. Is there anything you're gonna add to it? Yeah, you're gonna add the
food when the corn
so you're gonna add potato,
yes.
yam.
Dumpling.
Okay, okay. So we're gonna add all that.
And some spice.
Okay. And how do you call the meal?
Pea soup.
Pea soup. Okay, guys, if you see me going for the P sign or
Pea soup.
as in P-E-A-S.
Pea soup, yeah.
Okay. All right. That's interesting. I thought it was a piece as in Irish. Okay. So if you see, I will definitely show you how it turns out. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I think possibly in Ghana this may be a bit similar to in Potompoto, but I think the difference is the chicken foot. We don't usually use chicken
No, we use
meats. Yeah, or fish.
fish. Goat.
Goat, yeah. But guys, I will definitely do the tasting and show you my first experience of chicken foot as well as the combination that we have. I think it more or less looks like a broth, yeah, but it smells nice as well. So just like I always say, unfortunately I will do the eating, and you can ask the questions. I'll definitely let you know how it turns out. Yeah, all right, peace out, because I'm about to eat pea soup. Respect. Guys, you see the reason why I keep on telling you, Miss Lorna definitely continue to spoil me. She just asked, have you got pimento seeds back home? I'm saying, yo, I can get it in the shops to buy. She said, no, you got to take the original one. So if you want a bit of the pimento seeds, make sure you meet me in England. Meet me at the airport and I'll definitely share the seasoning and the spices that I brought over. Mom, that's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah. So if you want a bit of that, guys, let's be nice. Yeah, let's put a couple of hearts to Miss Lorna. She's feeding me here, okay, and also giving me more seasoning to take back home. If you want the recipes, definitely get in touch. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be cooking loads when I go back. What I've also noticed is, whilst I'm in Jamaica, most of the meals there isn't. Most of the spices are not blended.
Yeah.
So like most of the vegetables you're gonna use, you cut, you chop them, as compared to maybe in Ghana we blend lots of the vegetables. So maybe garlic we blend, onion we blend.
More like people with restaurant, cook shops or something, they just blend instead of to
Cut it.
just chop and blend. So it's easier that way.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I can't wait. The aroma is really killing. But you know what, just like I always say, I will do the eating, you do the watching. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe to it. I'll definitely show you a picture of the final meal. But yeah, it smells great already. So if you watch the other video when we went down to Coronation Market, that was where we went to get the chicken foot.
Yes.
Yeah, and that was my first experience there. But yeah, if you've eaten chicken foot before, let me know. Yeah, let me know. And what exactly meal, or what meal do you use it for? Because I think people may use it for different things.
Yeah, let's chew it sometime
Mm-hmm.
and eat it with maybe rice or hard food.
Okay. Okay. So they make it into a stew like brown stew.
Yes.
Okay.
Or curry.
Curry soup.
Nice.
Okay. Okay. Guys, let me know what you've ever used chicken foot for. You
Yeah,
know,
some people fry it.
they fry the
deep
chicken
fry.
foot.
Mhm.
Mm.
Flour it and,
Okay.
and fry it.
Fry it. Mm. I've noticed that. So in Jamaica, you've got chicken foot, you've got pig foot, as well as cow foot.
Mhm.
What's in the foot?
Gummy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cheese.
Okay. Wow, that's interesting. Mm. That's really interesting.
The goat feet, foot we use it to make manish water, make soup.
Ah,
Head
okay.
and the foot.
And the belly.
Yeah, yes.
And how do you call it? Banish water.
Manish water.
Manish. Okay.
Or goat soup.
Ah, okay. Guys, if you've definitely had the opportunity to eat any of this, I've definitely ate, I think, the goat intestines. The head, I see it as, it's a bit gruesome, you know, just leave the animal alone.
They have to scrape it and whatever and then
Chop it.
the bone, take out the bone from the meat.
Wow. Guys, tell me the part of the animal that you've ever ate, you know, which other people need to know, because it may be your culture. You know, some people eat the tongue.
Yeah.
I've never tried that.
I don't like it.
You know, yeah. Tell me the part. Yo, guys, it's the same pot of soup, you know. I told you guys. So what happens is, Miss Lorna didn't wait for me because I was on the phone. And basically, she's added some more. So what more have you added to it?
All the food, sweet potato, Irish potato, yam, dumpling.
You got pak choy?
No, these are scallions.
Okay, scallions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our scallions, spring onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some katsu, Maggi katsu.
Okay. Oi, shush. You naughty boy. Nah, it's good, guys. Just like I said, you know, we always eat with our eyes. Because it looks good already, I am definitely gonna grab it. I'm sure you definitely, you know, wish me all the best in Jamaica. But yeah, whilst I'm here, I will definitely vlog as best as possible. Yeah, but definitely, let's put in the love, you know, for Miss Lorna. She's been great. She's definitely looked after me. But yeah, if you've had any of this before, make sure you let us know, you know. But this is my first experience eating chicken foot, and yeah, I look forward to
coconut juice in it.
So you put coconut juice as well. Okay. So you got coconut juice. Have you got any other meat apart from the chicken? No. Okay. You got carrots.
Yes.
And
chocho.
What's chocho? Okay.
That green thing.
Which one is that?
You don't know.
Okay. So this is called what? Chocho.
Yeah.
Okay. I've never seen
I
that.
remember the next name, the right name for it.
Okay, guy, if you know the English name for that, yeah, we're not in England for us to do English names. We're in Jamaica, yeah, and in Jamaica it's called what? Chocho.
Chocho again, Val? Over there.
Don't worry, it doesn't need to have an English name, yeah. It's a typical. If you want Chocho, come to Jamaica, simple as. You've got definitely. You've got the, you can see the corn, Scotch bonnet. Yeah, guys, I wish I could have taken you through for you to see everything that went into the pot, but unfortunately I was on the phone, so Miss Lorna definitely had to crack on. with dinner, which I can't wait. Yeah, so if you had it before, let me know what the combination is, but if not, let me know whether you've had chicken food before, as well as other combinations in terms of food, you know, which may be different from other places. This is my first time gonna eat chicken food, and as well as everything that comes with it. I think it looks more or less like a broth, you know, in terms of everything that's coming. But yeah, let me know, you know, if you are Jamaican and you think you can help us with that. Everything that's needed for the soup, let us know. Okay, all right guys, respect. I will definitely show you my final plate, which I think I'm definitely gonna dig in. All right guys, make sure you do the honorable thing: subscribe, like, click the notification button, and share with other people. This is Nana SA. This is what I'm doing, enjoying my time in Jamaica. But if you are Jamaican, give us a shout, and equally if you're not, you know, let's show some love to Miss Lorna. Yeah, she's being an amazing host. And if you think, nothing wrong for now, boom, respect people. Wow, so dinner is served, you know. So basically, that's the dinner. That was the one definitely cooking on the pot. And just like I said, I was gonna show everyone. Seems very loaded, you know. But hey, welcome on board. Yeah, bon appetit. All right guys, let me focus on this. My mouth is watering already. Let me focus and crack on with that. If you want to enjoy it, make sure you let us know if you have any ideas of the ingredients used. But yeah, if not, let us know what you would use for your own. Yeah, so there's a Jamaican meal, and I will ask of the name and make sure I put it in the description section. And if you've had it before, tell us how you felt it. I think it really looks good by the sight of it. Remember to click the subscribe and the like button, and let's grow this channel. Boom. Respect.
1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4.